for big loads, powered for hard pulls, Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks are engineered to take it and deliver. Maybe that explains their reputation in every field of heavy-duty operation. They're built to carry the load, and it's no secret that with these trucks, you can load more and move more at less cost. Here's why. First, massive frames, tough and reliable, a rugged foundation for your heaviest loads. With greater strength from channel design throughout, side rails widen to extra depth at points of stress, alligator jaw bracing, and plenty of cross members. Reinforcements are not needed on Chevrolet frames. Next, big rear springs, an 11-leaf mainspring plus a 6-leaf helper, with a combined capacity of 15,600 pounds for both rear spring assemblies. Plenty of capacity to carry the load and protect it. Front springs have reserve capacity for jounces, chuck holes, and sudden shifting of loads. The rigid front axle is a heavy I-beam section with a carrying capacity of 4,500 pounds. The rear axle is tough and powerful, and on Chevrolet, the one-piece housing is made from a seamless steel tubing for greatest strength. The advanced type wide base wheels pioneered by Chevrolet support both tire beads and maintain straighter tire sidewalls. They permit easier servicing and allow greater air volume with resulting longer life. And whatever you haul, the right size tires are available. Tires big enough to match the capacity of other components. Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks are built to carry the load. And when it comes to making the load go places, Chevrolet has what it takes. Yes, Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks are powered for the pull, with greater horsepower and proved high torque ability. You get more work per gallon of fuel from the Chevrolet heavy-duty engine. Here are some of the reasons. Chevrolet's valve-in-head design gives faster intake of fuel mixture and quicker exhaust of burned gases. And Chevrolet's thermostatic heat control keeps the temperature of the fuel mixture right, provides faster warm-up even during cold weather. Four-way lubrication means less wear because every part of the engine is given the right amount of oil by the right method. And with Chevrolet's perfected cooling, valve seats and cylinder walls are uniformly and completely cooled. This eliminates warping and the need for valve seat inserts. And Chevrolet's Synchromesh 4-speed transmission adds extra safety for the load. It eliminates double clutching, makes shifting easier, quicker, and enables you to maintain road speeds. This transmission also gives you quieter operation and longer life through its Husky helical cut gears. Inside the rear axle housing, the full floating hypoid design gives greater strength too. This hypoid pinion is 5 times as strong as the spiral bevel type. And because it's straddle mounted, it stays in alignment with the ring gear. That means added strength for sudden shocks. Another big rear axle feature that's a Chevrolet exclusive is the splined rear axle to hub connection. The splines take the drive load, not attaching bolts. You get more strength and a better oil seal. But stopping the load safely and surely is as important as moving the load. Chevrolet offers 2 big braking advantages. First, the exclusive articulated brake shoes. Both brake shoes make full lining contact with the drums. This means better braking and longer life. Second, the Hydrovac brake, which multiplies the driver's pedal effort into quick, positive braking on all 4 wheels, does about 2/3 of the work. And Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks are built for easy handling and comfort. For easier, safer steering, Chevrolet uses a recirculating ball-type steering gear. Less friction means less wear, less driver fatigue. Drivers enter these Chevrolet cabs with ease, ride comfortably, and remain alert on long hauls. And for extra comfort, Chevrolet offers the cab that breathes, with an efficient system that brings in outside air and, in the wintertime, warms the air to suit the driver. Add up these performance and comfort features, plus the rugged load-carrying features found only on Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks, and that sums up why they're the choice of heavy-duty operators everywhere. Truly, Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks are engineered to take it and deliver.